Hey everyone! Welcome back, gamers. Are your Steam downloads crawling at a snail's pace? Well, fear not. In this video, I'll show you some potential fixes to speed up your downloads and get you back in the game in no time. I can explain it in very simple way. So let's get started. First things first, let's do a quick internet speed test to see where you stand. Head over to your browser and run a speed test to check your current internet speed. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to an Ethernet cable for faster speeds. Ethernet connections typically provide quicker internet speeds compared to Wi-Fi. Now, let's dive into Steam settings. Open up Steam and navigate to the top left corner. Click on Steam, then Settings. Make sure you're on the Downloads tab. In the Downloads tab, you'll see the option for download region. Make sure to select the server closest to your location for optimal download speeds. Moving down the list, ensure that throttle downloads while streaming is unchecked. Also, make sure that limit bandwidth is unchecked to avoid any speed limitations. Another handy feature in this section is the ability to schedule auto updates for your games. You can set specific times for games to update, like during off-peak hours to avoid internet congestion. If you've tried all of this and your speed is still sluggish, consider clearing your download cache in Steam. Keep in mind, this will sign you out of Steam temporarily, so you'll need to sign back in. Now, let's take a look at your PC settings. Head to the search bar and look up Settings. Go to Network and Internet. And ensure that metered connections are turned off. Next, check your data usage. You can see which applications are consuming the most data. Consider uninstalling any unnecessary apps to free up bandwidth. Lastly, review your background apps. Disable any apps that you don't need running in the background, as they could be using up valuable internet resources. And there you have it. By following these tips, you should see a significant improvement in your Steam download speeds. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more gaming and PC-related content. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!